no say oko search ya ubehu baby a picture no ifiri as a picture na abrantie no spreading all over say Nanado beman picture okotwa free abrantie no kotwa free emrantie ne ni amanfo mo ye pornographic saa ne manema no papa bi gina ho na men kan heading in chire no that ohun say ni baby okoyi free was a big something user upload home main fans also old main kahono user submitted home photos echo na okoyi saade ni free ordinanado picture to nchen nanado emsom ko program bi picture dan nchen ena bema nana ode bema bi so saa bema bi okoyi free na ode ato nchen ena all kasa wa akire se eye Ghana mambe ni bema no meanwhile okoyi free pornographic site porn site no okoyi sa picture no kuta information in our now why just a wukoyi picture I will be your active porn picture now what the aba 2 page edi nanado picture ato nchen akasa wa akiri se eye nanado bema adofo na ya sempa se enti we ye Ghana nimpa now we with this same way edi tia wo mampanyini because we in the political party there oyes ade no onim no ho ye so otie me na me mboni din because he knows ni din K ni di kan and the other name so S ewo the American chance or the American oyes ade we na me make sure we the yan kan kwa chire and among BI between America and among BI. Now, me make sure say, and among me daddy Fred, me too. I say we can be me too. Me make sure say mera any net. Now, this is very sad. Edi se mo tie me a Ghana penny for mo tie me a. Ena almost mo wa ban mu. Nanado abaimu ewo America mutie me pamacho. This is very serious issue. Ye metenase Emma obi say Ghana mampanyini din just like that is that. Enunti this is the time was to one among as early as possible. All the necessary information ha mon contact near making sure say ya ye wadwuma me so no me make sure say my ye wadwuma ba kwan be fa so no me nka e ma omonte adofo no sima hu nipa se de omusete o mampanyini etene baabi wa sheda akutwa picture namne ka say security for our Ghana and for highest level it make sure someone sa kan nyana na make sure sa same way on be correspond on be ye ho adwuma so asa ye so ye ho adwuma wa untini nye sa aboni we emfa honni e ya wudisem na ya ade a eye mus eye ade a eye me who say the missing describe no say ultimate pornographic site baby omo yi porno movie CB oko omo website no wakoyi papa bi picture no watwa ne bema mfonyin na wo de aba beto ho na wo de nanado pictures wato nchen na wakasa afom se Ghana foi mun show se wabru ni kan ye no nanado picture na da bontin mun hwe nanado bema de da bontin meanwhile so koyi photo no every porn site baby omo art pornographic baby a omo art at the same sa munim dia me paachre hey baby adru no sa level we na adru mo amosha me ya where say bebre di kan pictures ni bi bebre di kan audio na or the ato background no how the pictures na aka ho no bebre hu bi etimon kan kira no Virginia men ka de ka ho nkyerɛ mon kan kyerɛ no sɛ ya aware so ko yi free pornographic site and audio man panyini Ghana man panyini enti obetima ko yi picture a free pornographic site edi America man panyina to nkyɛn na ultimate Ghana man panyini e picture ato nkyɛn na wo de saa de mfonyini na ko yi free baby omo ate porn movies no na wo de no so ato nkyɛn sɛ o man panyini be ma no na sɛ wabru ni kan no wada wo ma manya saa de no ade na mo ye wudi sem saa ade na mo ye bone saa de tie o man ti Ghana aye moden o man panyini na na do aye moden sɛ motimi nya adagye nya mmere eye saa bone we di tie o man panyini asema beto dwa no I'm making sure say emra ebe ye adwuma ye ga se emra be ye adwuma samote ase eno nti me wie program ya nipa no Virginia me smeko police station e wo Massachusetts nam ja koma police for I'm going to do that right away me wie program na me ko e ja koma police for. Now this is very sad. This is very sad. Maybe I will be on my tracking. The Ghana penny for Muti, me daddy Fred, me baby 2-1 among says, yeah. Me can you come here program no. Cross and 2-1 among. But me baby 2-1 among immediately I finish this program. Now my team who say Emra and it's our branch here no edit. How I didn't know what say, oh yes, any pap bunny same way, edit here man penny. Why? So what political party now man penny no so different political party. Now does it mean say I was some yes idea? Timmy ya no baby am me drive go police station in need 20 minutes. Me via program ya me go police station officially. Edi ako chira police for. Na omo oti America. The wo ye woman panyini. Na for America for na decide. Me say afi we no boot for boot ne ene moko. Ade bia mo be ye bia ye be hu achire no. Ye be make sure say mra anybody. Why? Some discredit mo man panyini just like that. Ade anya no kure na mo de tu mo man panyini so. Some nya de kure na mo de tu mo man panyini so. You're very serious. Now, medical catch them. Say, yeah, shamo, Emma Mun, yes, Adian. Nanado Bonnie Ben, why young Bonnie Ben and Anado, I am, and is a woman pen anado crana, who couldn't must couldn't fear a senior emphasis. O bonny ding, a bonny giddy ding. Now, and I make a chance that this is a time. So I never win never fish out. Number and your muddy. Yan shamo. More mutiamino. Over to my trust here. What who say picture now and we what will be to my try yes. Whom we have to my tro no. What was that picture now try yes is see and mean. What yes are audio no so try yes na mean. Oko what's up almost spreading the baby. I don't think it's right. I don't think say was he encourages idea we. I don't think it's was he encourages idea we. In the American yet, where you would this summer be Maria Seta. No why your voice note was here. Say Ghana fui. Momo kosho, when I'm on Facebook, Namon Koshe. Mumam penyini. Sister Diana, they may know that way. I will be to me privately. Me know that way. To be to me, what may call police station, I bet to me. I said, Mina. I say, be so mum. Was a Ghana for Munko Facebook. Mumam penyini. Munkosha said, Mumam penyini. na wakutwa so yensam troni awo Virginia se kurobi o se kurobi so ho wakutwa ene na obi hu said wi asesitie ene pa made that different make catch now and obi hu said wi asesitie ye nhwemo ema mo nya saa ne matantan we enku Ghana for mpanifo animase just like that sir na ene and obi hu we are not going to play with this situation. We are not going to joke with this situation. Dora Safo also yes. I list also at here. Miracle. Bibiri isi omo. Miracle pa na wakofa papa bi na wonim wako website is a phone na mako website bi a omoye pon niam na wako yi saa picture na obi pon na wanyini na watwa ne sirim picture no watwa ne sirim hankwa ne hankwa ena ne bema woso ena o se na Addo bema no de na o kasa wo akire no enye oba no enye se wa broni ne kasa wo eye bema bi a osori a wote Facebook ti YouTube o kasa ena saa bema no wa yesa de na faga na mampanyine ho na this is a time odim say what America obit my say afọ mampanyine ho mesometi America ye nyina eti America ye be make sure say can you say me catch no but we make sure say me via program we ya within 20 minutes me call police for us here e de nyina koma police for na omu asem ni nyina na saa mun kurase ye bia na mo social media ye no mapem abrante no yes ade no ye obema oh social media also kasa big ni dinke eni dika na ba ko so s e wo so ni nyina didi kanti mo dia me pa akire no enti ono anim that the America for me ko ele hey baby a me wey baby o wono omo beso no mu ho eni se ka me kan se akire no me ko ele se sia me vie program na this is the time Yakupon Addo yetimi ehu say okotwe free website bi ye pornographic website police for na betimi a check ye hu ye butisem kese internet program ne menche kra me kwa report to ni say sia menche me kwa ye ho adwuma say sia Enti adofonom the enti ambabe ye program is sermon fanchem sa issue we ni very important enti menche me kwa report to ni say sia ye mehwemo emamu nku Ghana animas just like that it is a Ghana mpanifo a mo representing Addo ewa America mo tie me kwa ye ho adwuma de won bia no me de bebrem obisi do show na me show dia ba de ogu mampanyina nim ase no me show nkyere wi ase me boa na bera wonim se anya no kware enti me ko police for aso ye akoye official report ama police me ba me mama hu se my official report no but the documents ni nyina ba kire me ama mahu they are cause enti me pon ya me sorry some pon hey, but me call police station right away to make official report. Me share embassy abrante in Virginia ho. Enku Ghana mampanyine ni mase. Ebra asema wo catch the Ghana mampanyine no enya no kware. Na odinam social media be all over the world. a disgracing the president of Ghana, posting Obi picture to discredit the image of the president of the Republic of Ghana. I don't think it is right. And I don't think we have to entertain that. This is pure wickedness and it's evildoers act. And I'm going to react on it and report officially to police department for them to act immediately on this issue. It go around and go viral. But we have to make sure we seize the situation as early as possible. Why do you try to discredit the image of the president of Ghana, of which you don't have any facts, but you are fabricating stories, posting things on social media that does not relate to the president? None of them relate to the president. And you are posting, you're discrediting his image, you are creating bad image for him. Why? If you don't belong to his political party, does it imply that you have that right, that audacity to go ahead and do that? This is a very sad situation. Madam, we are very sorry. Me continue program. No, I am going to police station now to report him to officials. What America say? Adia, why ye? Afghana, mampenyin hono. No. Whatever happens, biano. Memamo ati. Dear Air So thank you very much for joining. Now, the assembly fan of Honosono, he has known it. And that is a very simple message. I am not going to sit down for the president of Ghana to be disgraced like that, of which the issue being attributed to him is not true. We are not going to sit down for those things to happen, irrespective of the fact that you love or you dislike him. We don't care about that. But you don't need to just fabricate and then publish false news, spread it all over and disgrace him like that. This is the end of that particular issue. I'm going there immediately to report. Intimate say, me did that Fred. Mesa be them repam, me free police station hoba, and the police for can be an member madin, I'm a maswati. Into ya ha and I'm the basi. Mesa be them Nyagopon can ubia, say ubia bombarding and joining programming. And there won't be an official in a mobile mu asem. Inti makramo na yebesan ababi meeting Eddie Daddy Fred Mama.